Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So far we have learned about Ekgun and we have done Riyaz on Ekgun as well. So today in this class we are going to learn about Dugun. In case you have not checked the previous videos, I would request you to check the introductory first video and then come back to this video. If you are a total beginner, just go back and start from video 1. If you know about the footwork, we can go on. Okay, so today we are going to do Dugun. A quick revision about what we did in the Ekgun. So we had a cycle of 16 beats in Teen Tal. One beat is equal to one bol was Ekgun. Okay, so it was 16. How we reached the 16? Ta, one beat, one bol. Ta, thay, tat, a, thay, tat. Ta, thay, tat, a, thay, tat, ta. That was Ekgun. So coming back to Dugun now. So Dugun, as the name suggests, it's double the speed of Ekgun. So when we put two bowls in one beat, that becomes Dugun. So if we have to count it technically, so we are putting two bowls instead of one in Dugun. So Ekgun में क्या था? Ta, thai, tat. Dugun में क्या होगा? Ta, thai, tat. A, thai, tat. 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 Ta. So the footwork remains same as Ekgun, it's just the speed will be doubled now. So I will be showing you the live footwork practice on Dugun. I will be uploading a separate music for practice as well. And first you can try it with me with the sound of music with ghungroos along with me. Practice that. And once you are a pro at that, then practice on your own with music that I'll be uploading eventually. See you in next class. Get ready with your ghungroos and we are going to try Dugun today.